I'm going to show you how to replace the splinter guard on a Festool guide rail with some tips that will make it last so much longer. I've got quite a few people that phones me, they've replaced the splinter guard, but it doesn't, a couple of days later it starts peeling off again. And the first tip that I can give you is get your splinter guard and your guide rail up to temperature. We've got quite a cold day outside today, it's about 18 degrees. So what I've done is I've put my splinter guard and my guide rail out in the sun to get it to about 25 degrees, 27 degrees. And that will make sticking down your splinter guard so much easier. So let's begin. First we start off by peeling the old splinter guard. You will need a lint-free rag. I'm going to use some thinners here to clean off all the old residue, all the old glue residue. Very important, so that your guide rail will stick, your new splinter guard will stick down. Clean off all the old residue. Make sure there's nothing left there. Nice and clean surface to work with. I'm going to measure out the length that I need with about 5 to 10 mils extra on each side. You carefully cut it to length. That's what I'm going to need. And you can start by sticking down your splinter guard. Stick it down with the end sticking out a little bit. And make sure it's properly stuck down. And now the second tip that I can give you is do not leave your splinter guard, your new splinter guard, flush with your guide rail. Cut it back about 5 millimeters. Take it off. Other side. Cut it back about 5 millimeters so that it's not flush to the ends. And give it a slight angle as well, just that little tip there, slight angle, perfect. And the reason for that is most of us will be putting our guide rails down on the floor like this, and if your splinter guard is all the way down with your guide rail flush here or even sticking out, every time you put it down it starts peeling on the bottom, dust enters there, and it just goes up, and within days it starts peeling again. Cool.